The benefit of doing pre-solicitation source results is you're giving the government information to tailor the proposal. Ask any really good government contractor and they will tell you, I always respond to pre-solicitation source results, because you're increasing your probability of winning the contract. Because let's say I need somebody to build a new building. I need an RFI. I need information on how to build this building. I have no idea how to draft my solicitation. So if you have information on how I can build the best building, please give it to me right now. That's a pre-solicitation. Now, let's say you, Ade, right? You respond to Desmond. I would build the building like this, like this, like this. In fact, I would make sure that the person that does it has this certification, because this certification ensures that they can do a good job. So Ade, that's what you told the contracting officer in your response to pre-solicitation. The government's own response say, thank you for the information you gave us. We'll consider the insurance requirements and all those, the certification, all those different things. Perfect. Now, when they put the solicitation out, they tailored it to the information that you gave them. Now, does that guarantee that you win the contract? Absolutely not. But you just disqualified the entire market because you give them information.